Hello, all my PCOS baddies. You know what time it is, and if you don't, get with the program. Today we're using Tickled Pink by Sexy Smooth Wax and just a little bit of their Lemon Kiss wax as well from my previous wax. There was just a little bit left in my pot, and they're both gel-based waxes, so it'll be all right. We'll be fine. You know the drill. And before I wax, I just like to use my Trust Wellness Pre-Wax Spray. It's just a cleanser. It's just gonna remove any dirt, makeup, buildup that you have on your skin. I was being silly and I put my moisturizer. Once that dries, I'm just gonna go in with some baby powder. I'm all powdered down and ready, and I always start on my sides and work myself in. You can do it however you want to do it. That's just how I've gotten into a routine of doing it. So I'm just gonna start by laying all the wax. Okay, we're gonna try this again. We're gonna try this again. Y'all, that was almost my 13th reason. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It has been quite the day. That almost just did it. I'm gonna be completely transparent with y'all. I did not even want to make this, but I need to wax before. Excuse everything that's about to happen, okay? All right, so put all your wax on your skin. Oh my God, I just got in my fucking hair. Like I'm actually about to crash out. Y'all, is this a certifiable crash out? Like, the cats are in the back fighting. I've had an insane day. This shit just got in my fucking hair. See how this wax is already dry? Do not let wax sit on your face for too long or your strip is gonna break. And I apply pressure after. It just kind of soothes your skin. Ew, I know y'all see that. So I'm starting farther out. I'm gonna push this down and bring it to the side. Hey! If y'all have cats, use the tip of your stick to lift up this lip so it'll be a little easier for you to remove. Y'all ask me if it hurts. Yes, it hurts. I'm just so used to it that like I can't even react at this point. I really can't. And if y'all hear my godson in the back, I'm sorry. This is just a chaotic video, and that's okay. That's okay. Not everything goes to plan all the time, clearly. And film waxes, not film, I'm sorry, but gel waxes do dry a bit faster than like a cream wax would. So honestly, I would try their Cherry Desire wax. Y'all, let me just show you guys the fucking strip. And when I do my strips, I don't have hair right here now, but I kind of like to push my strip out and make it bigger. So it's kind of like an initial strip and a cleanup in one, if that makes sense. Whew. And if the strip breaks on you, it's okay. Just pull it and then that's it. Leave off where you started. And because I'm talking, my strips are drying a little too fast, but it's okay. And then we're going to apply the Trust Wellness #2 Post Wax Spray. And this is just an oil-based spray. It's gonna help remove any excess wax on your face. It's going to help soothe the skin a little bit. And baby, that's that. And I'll see y'all in another 3 weeks.